This is today is 20th of February, and we have various stalls of Google, and one is AI for health. Then you have AI for scientific discovery. Then you have AI for growth and innovation, and then AI for learning and skills, and then agriculture. So I am going to actually see what they are doing on AI for health. Let's go there. So I was here and talked. So I have been told by the Google people that they have a Medjama is a developer.
It's an open model that's published on Hugging Face and available to developers.
Available developer to develop various type of healthcare applications
right.
in the interest of the patient.
Consumer, in the interest of the patient, in the interest of the clinician, in the interest of the caregiver, any kind of medical application, administrative, report generation, used for anything. So it's not just for the patient, it can be for the doctor as well.
AI by Google.
Yes, sir. So the Medjama is a base.
Sundar Pichai is the Google CEO. All word. No.
Yes, sir.
Is it like this? No. It's based in US.
Yes, sir.
So this is your card, and in case of any further query, I'll talk.
Please.
Thank you so much.
So let's say
Arogyam
patient
app is a
triaging platform. So let's say a patient has come to the hospital. ठीक है, तो वो अभी वेटिंग टाइम में AI से बात करेगा एंड वो जानेगा कि पेशेंट क्यों आया है, पेशेंट की प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री क्या है, अभी के लिए क्यों आया है, सिम्टम्स क्या फेस कर रहा है,
then it will go to the patient doctor.
और जो रिपोर्ट्स लाए हैं वो रिपोर्ट्स भी अपलोड करेंगे और फिर वो समरी क्रिएट होके
This is to expedite the record of the history of the patient.
पेशेंट करेक्ट.
Thank you. Now we are going to see Gemini's live speech-to-speech translation. Amplify native AI for everyone. So I have learnt a new feature, which is Google Translate, which you can download the app, and then you can translate anything, English to Hindi, English to French, English to things you speak, and everything we translate. This is live speech-to-speech translation. I'm here at the Google Quantum AI, which is AlphaFold accelerating breakthroughs in biology and AI, basically for the research. What kind of research is going to help?
Largely biomolecular research, and essentially what
biomolecular research.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
basic research, that means basic research.
Yeah. So AlphaFold 2 is able to predict all the protein structures that exist and occur in nature. We knew only 100 is how do these proteins look. We only knew that for 100,000 protein structures.
This is finally has helped a lot of things